and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing some lash remover. These lashes that I have on right now, and I'm using the tweezers to the brand as well. These are the sets that I'm going to be wearing. They are the V03 D-Mix. Like I said, I use these to remove my old lashes. And then I have the Seal in Bond. But let's go ahead and get right into this. I do need to take off these lashes because they are getting old and I got wet and I got like makeup on top of them and I don't like the way that looks. So I'm going to be putting on a new set today. So this is what the applicator looks like. It's an oil-based remover. So what I like to do is I like to just grab it. I kind of just put the oil on top of the lashes like that. Just kind of rub it in on there. And this is how you keep your lashes in really good health, by using a lash remover like this, because it helps not break out your lashes when they come off. I just like to really brush it through. And I'm going to let it sit a few minutes. Let me see if they're coming off yet. No. And you can see it's not taking off any of my lashes with it. It's just the regular lash that's coming off. None of my lashes are getting pulled out with it. Okay, and then I like to get a little bit more of the remover. I'm going to go over my lashes one more time, and then I'm going to go wash my face. So when you do wash your lashes, you want to make sure that you are not using a oil-based wash, because then when you go to apply the lashes, they're not going to stick. You want to make sure that you get all the oils off your lashes. So clean them really good with a really good face wash. So I'm going to take a little bit more of this, and I'm just going to put it on top of my lashes to get all the rest of that glue off, and then I'm going to go wash my face, and I'll be back to apply some new lashes. Okay, so now that I have my lash remover off, I'm going to be reviewing this right here. So let's go ahead and get right into this. These are the V03 D-Mix that they sell. And that's what they look like. So I'll probably do, I don't know if I want to go 16. Maybe I'll do 316, 314, and maybe 212. So we're going to go for that. So you have the Bond and Seal. The Bond is pretty much the glue. And the Seal is after you're done applying them. If your lashes are sticky, you can apply that. I don't always apply that. I only apply it when I need it. And I'm going to try to keep the glue at the base of my lash. Try to go like this. I like to just touch it down there. Okay, like that. I did get a little bit of glue right there, but I'll scrape it off once it dries. Okay, so that's what they look like. Let me go ahead and try to get some of this lash glue. I got stuck off. Okay, so that's what it looks like. As you can see, this is before, this is after. This is what it looks like from on top. I do need to finish cleaning up with this glue up here. I usually take the back end of this and I just kind of scrape it till it comes off. You put some seal. You see how my lashes are a little sticky? So all you do is get the seal. And you put it towards your base wherever it's sticking. Just like that. So let me go ahead. I'm going to apply this eye off camera. I'm going to show you what it looks like once I'm done. Okay, so this is what the lashes look like completed. I really do like this set. It's like just very fluffy, voluminous. You can see that's looking down. And that's to the side. They're so pretty. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.